The Black Hills Stock Show and Rodeo began in 1959 and is the second largest event in the state of South Dakota, following the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally. An estimated 331,000 people attend the Western Festival here in Rapid City that features 120 different livestock, horse, and rodeo events, along with over 300 vendors to shop from. Whether you've got thousands of acres of ranch or farmland, or a small backyard homestead like mine in town, you'll find something useful, educational, and entertaining at the Black Hills Stock Show, such as horse and cattle shows and sales, the Ranch Rodeo and PRCA Rodeo, cowboy mounted shooting contests and North American sheepdog trials, a freestyle bullfighter competition, the Barnyard Nursery, the Cinch Trade Show, where you can buy a horse, a pickup, Western fashion, livestock and rodeo equipment, homestead supplies, and Western fashion. Ann's White Owl Creek Boutique booth is full of beautiful Western wear.
Hi.
How are you doing?
How are you?
Good. Ann is the wife of my cousin Les Shaw, owner and operator of the Shaw Ranch, along with his brother Jim here in South Dakota. They are featured in an episode of Homegrown that you can watch from the link in my description box below. Les is active in the South Dakota Beef Industry Council and is frequently spotted on camera with local chef and winner of the Food Network star Justin Warner. The stock show hosts a Western art show and celebrity chef Justin Warner live on stage and beef education sessions, a wild costume bra riding competition and live music and concerts, beer tastings and whiskey tastings, and the Cowboy Bar gets you primed up and dancing to live Western music before the rodeo events. Horsemanship clinics, youth livestock shows, activities and events including a stick horse rodeo, and even an auctioneer bid calling contest.
I know you eat a lot of that meat, big boy. Here we go. I ain't other than bear 2.5, now 5, other than bear now 7.5, other than bear down again 35. 7.
My side of the Shaw family homesteaded here at the same time as my cousins, but instead of ranching, they had the Red Owl Garage in the same area, fixing tractors, equipment, and vehicles for the area ranchers. My grandmother and great-grandmother had huge gardens out in the country there. I remember shelling peas, snapping beans, shucking corn, canning, and making bread as a kid with them. In my next video, I'll show you the other extreme of a big cattle ranch, my backyard homestead. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see how I'm able to grow a year's worth of food in my small space in town. In the meantime, you can watch this video on how to get started as a beginner homesteader.